Okay. Ay. Ayan, mga payakulapaton nga na naman, sir. Ana akong question na to ha.
Sir, please state your name.
Raul Villarde from Alvi Villarde Multimedia Production. Para DepEd, and anyone gihapon niya karuyag maghatag yun in answer, pwede liwat maghatag in ideas. Ma'am, pwede ba natin ibalik ang kana 1980s nga elementary years namon nga may dahin nainom ako Nutriban di ba? Kaya natin ma'am ibalik ang DepEd itong klase nga program nga before mag-start ang klase, nangangaon na kami hadto busogan namon tiyan. So attentive kami han klase kay mga busogan namon tiyan. Kaya ba natin ito ibalik ma'am?
Training program. I think you're all aware of that. So atong beneficiaries are from atong mga civil wasted na kinder to grade 6 pupils. But as of this school year, all kindergarten students are part of the beneficiaries of this feeding. Ito necessary kung before we had this breakfast feeding program. Even when I came to that way back 2002, may nakita may mga kaya may ada mga districts that have been given feeding di ka nga gawas. May mga sponsors. But this time, iniginahatag ta during recess time. Ada na ito't maestra kung pwede niya ihatagin. Pag an-advance na ito sa pagsunod nila. Kasi karamihan ang atong bata, mga tikang na may mga places din niya sa mismo, mga medyo remote siya. Ka-encounter kami ito before when I was still this medical officer sa Summer Division, may nakita sa setting ng short hunger syndrome. Naka-witness ko na ito. I thought libro lang ito. Imagine, inagto kami mga oras, mga 10 o'clock na agto. Pero naka-second school na kami. First ko namin itagan ako niyarahin. Crackers. Ito ka ito kauna. Magkaman second school, may nabata. Nagkikita yun sa nagkakatulog na talaga yan. Asa ko naman teacher. Ano ito yan? Ang siya ito yan. Dok, every time ko naman nasunod na siya ito. In Singapore nurse, hindi ako kauna dito. It's like magic. More of hypoglycemia. So talagang merong short-handed syndrome. Because they come to school without eating their breakfast, marang makaman ginabuhin nila. So I think it's also a good intervention na early na ihahatag. Anyway, ato man yan it's not hot meals. It's mostly yung nutritious food products na milk. Duman na niya na, for summer, we're going to start on July 14. While for the other divisions, they will start by July 21 per department. Yeah, for the school year. Early kami procurement, di ba? We have our nutrition here from the region, of course, from Adara. May ask questions okay lang, So ngayon, sabay sila meron na. For our NFP or the nutritious food products will be given for 120 days, while for the milk feeding, 15 days. Unlike last school year, mas mahaba yung milk feeding. With 43 school days yun. Ngayon, that's all. The only problem we have is usually the procurement. But so far this year, okay man hirap. Ang problem sa nabinahan, may mga areas na walang local suppliers na nakuhaan. Pero alam niyo naman na malaki yung budget natin for feeding. Kaya marami talaga yung beneficiaries. Okay, thank you.
But ako lang, so probably nagpakian na, lagas-lagas na, Nutriban pa nga.
Oh, ma'am.
I'm a product of Nutriban, no? Kay paminaw ko din niya hall, ako nagpinakalagas, no? Kay nakakaon pa akong Nutriban. So, iyang pakiana ibabalik pa. Actually, there are two components of the DepEd's school-based feeding program. So, may nakita ginyayakan na wet feeding, amaton hot meals, and then we also have the Nutriban. If you happen to, in packets in the papers, in the TV, what had happened to Nutriban. No, so may nag-happen na Nutriban, and then we also have the milk feeding component, milk feeding program component. So, damo na ito. Pero probably, atong itruhan Itrohan, DepEd is really